Colder weather usually means the time to roll up your sleeves either for the flu shot or the RSV shot, but depending on where you are, if you're shopping around for a particular brand of COVID-19 vaccine, you might be out of luck. One pharmacist that I spoke with says he is in low supply of Comirnaty, or popularly known under its pharmaceutical name, Pfizer.
We got a bit of supply in the beginning, and now it appears to have dried up.
Kiro Massey owns 2 pharmacies in Toronto. He received a supply of Comirnaty for one of his stores, not for the other, and hasn't received any more of those specific doses since running out. Has that impacted it at all?
So overall, I feel that there are still very few people that are adamant about getting only the Comirnaty or the Pfizer vaccine. Overall, most people have been just fine taking the Spikevax or the Moderna vaccine.
Okay, so vaccine shopping isn't happening here. We asked the Ontario Ministry of Health, though, about this reduced supply. They tell CityNews in part, the province continues to have vaccine supply available for order and delivery across the province to help keep Ontario families safe and healthy this respiratory illness season. Pfizer Canada appears to confirm, though, that some form of rationing is happening. They tell us that they are aware of increased demand of their Comirnaty COVID-19 vaccine in the private market. And to ensure equitable distribution, they've implemented a temporary allocation for the single-pack, pre-filled syringe format. The pharmaceutical company goes on to say that the 10-pack format remains available, and there is no impact on supply for publicly funded vaccination programs, which can be found in places including your primary care provider, hospitals, or local public health unit. Why do you think that is, that there are those who are still, wanting to look for the Pfizer COVID-19 vaccine when the Moderna one is just as effective?
We're not seeing much in the way of side effects being different, and as far as I know, there are no studies to show that there's a difference in efficacy, so they're both just as effective.
The Provincial Health Ministry echoes this, saying the National Advisory Committee on Immunization has stated that there is no preferential recommendation between the vaccines currently offered through the COVID-19 vaccine program. As for when supply will return to normal, Pfizer Canada says they're advancing shipments and expect supply conditions to improve soon. In Scarborough, Afua Baah, City News.